this is the moment you've been waiting for.
Having carefully observed the couple, we are satisfied that the affection and love between them is deep, genuine, and God ordained. We pray that the love, peace, mutual understanding, long life, and prosperity will abide in the proposed union. We therefore seek the consent of your illustrious family to give the hand of your daughter in marriage to our son. God being our helper, we shall do all this within our power to make your beautiful and amiable daughter comfortable, loved, and welcomed in our family.
Wunda paga wuna rol gwani jingre rotier Awilda wani jingre kin rotier Lungje dai leter niara chinom kwat niara chin wunde niara chinom kwat niara chin wunde And we are no one that abang dia jayu geshendi by Sudan and we are when we are the monitor again yarda yogishendi nyan by Sudan beyond gejenu wanin gun yenege beyond gejenu wanin gun yenege Kidian lajik nariman Kidian yenege Kidian lajik nariman Kidian yenege In yar to gobye In yar to weche In yar to gobye In yar to weche Kidian yari ni ting away Ting kwata mi teng wa yin ter Kidian yari ni